Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, scroll down a bit, go to the battery section, battery saver. You can switch it here. You can also set a schedule for it. You can set a schedule based on your percentage. And you can also turn off this feature, turn off when fully charged. Battery saver turns off when your phone is up to 90%. And you can also switch power saving mode here at the upper bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.